Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. I'm Jill, and today I have something very special to share with you because we finally made it to 100,000 subscribers. We got our silver play button.
Cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So I thought I would just share the moment with you and unwrap this box. So let's just get in there. All right. Okay. So we got a card and we got a letter that says, "You've just done something that very few YouTubers, creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Yay, that's you." We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. You betcha. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. Nice. We know that you don't do this for rewards. Absolutely. You do this because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way right off, or right now, yeah, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations, Susie. I don't know how to say her last name. There it is. Okay. Woo-hoo. Let's unwrap this guy. Wow, look at that. Smooth, and it's like a mirror back there. Oh, hello. Nice. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show for passing 100,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for helping me get here. And I don't know, where are we gonna hang this guy? I think maybe back there. We'll see if it'll hang up there. And then you'll see it on the show in the recordings to come. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.